Hey everyone! Now that we are in the thick of the pantry reset, I wanted to start sharing some really quick tips for some of those ingredients that you might not know a lot about or might find kind of hard to use. Today's quick tip focuses on one of my favorite grains that I don't think gets used enough: sorghum. I fell in love with sorghum when I was writing the flour cookbook because the flour has a really nice warm, nutty texture that is an amazing gluten-free flour. As a grain, it's really akin to using like a wheat berry or something that has a chewy texture. I love using whole sorghum because it adds that nice boost to a salad or a grain bowl. Beyond using sorghum as a flour or whole grain, sorghum also has the unique ability to pop, a lot like popcorn. So today I wanted to share with you a quick recipe for popped sorghum. The popped sorghum is not quite as big as popcorn, but it does work well as a topping for soup, added into salads, and if you're trying to avoid corn, it can be a really good substitute as a snack. To make the popped sorghum, heat a medium pot with a lid over medium heat. Add a tablespoon of coconut oil or a similar high heat oil like ghee. Add the sorghum to the pot, cover and cook, shaking the pan occasionally to make sure the sorghum doesn't burn. You'll know it's done when the popping slows down and most of the sorghum has popped. Then add your favorite toppings. I like a little bit of salt, garlic powder, and smoked paprika. This is such a simple way to enjoy sorghum and is perfect if you only have about a half a cup worth of grain left or if you want a nice crunchy topping or snack. Be sure to check back in tomorrow for the next video in my series. Also, if you happen to make a recipe or try one of the tips, snap a picture and share it on Instagram with the hashtag #PantryPower. Thanks for tuning in and happy cooking!